Today we're moving on to chapter 3.5, which is all about decimal addition. Now we're going to spend a couple different chapters talking about addition. Today is not the only day we're going to learn about decimal addition. Because just like when we were talking about division, do you remember how we did it in 3 different strategies? We used base 10 blocks, then we learned about partial quotients, and then we learned the standard algorithm? We're going to kind of do something similar with decimal addition. Okay, we're going to first talk about it using modeling it, drawing pictures and using base 10 blocks to model decimal addition. So if you're taking good notes, you've written down this problem, 0.34 plus 0.27. Let's figure out how we can use base 10 blocks to model this addition problem, 34 hundredths plus 27 hundredths. If you think back all the way to 3.1, we talked about how we can use pictures to model decimals. Okay? Do you guys remember, what did we use the flat to represent? One flat represents what kind of number? Karan? Huh? Did we say it equals 100 when we're talking about decimals? Go back to 3.1 in your notes, Karan, and take a look. What did we say that the flat represents? Arushi?
1.
It represents 1. If the flat represents 1, what does the rod or the long represent? Rishika? 0.1, otherwise known in word form as 1/10. Okay, so go ahead and draw these in your notebook so that you can really remember. Okay? If the flat equals 1 and the long equals 1/10, what does the unit, the one little cube, what does that represent? Rishika? 100th, yeah. Okay. So now let's figure out how can we use base 10 blocks to represent this addition problem. Let's try drawing a quick picture to represent this problem. 2 and 5/10 plus 2 and 8/10. How would I draw the 2 and 5/10? What could I draw? Siddharth?
Well, to draw 2 and 5/10, we draw one of those big squares.
Okay, we draw one flat.
And then for the 0.5.
Oh, hold on. So far, have I drawn 2?
Oh no, we should draw 2 of those.
Oh, why do I need to draw 2 flats?
Well, because there are 2 ones.
Oh, there's 2 ones. Okay. And how do I model the 5/10? Go ahead.
So we draw 5 of those rods.
5 rods. Okay. That's the 2 and 5/10. How do I model the 2 and 8/10? What do I need to draw to model 2 and 8/10? Thomas? 2 flats. Okay. Because I have 2 ones. 8/10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that represents the 8/10. Now let's count up what we have all together. Let's start with the ones. How many ones do I have all together? 4. Okay. And how many tenths do I have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 tenths. Karan?
So that's wrong because
That's wrong. Why is that wrong?
it was actually supposed to be 5.1 tenths.
5.1 tenths? Why is it 5.1?
5.3
Oh, why is it 5.3 tenths?
because you have to remove the 10.
Regroup. Oh, do I have more than 10 tenths?
Yes.
So I can trade in 10 of those tenths to become 1, right? 10 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10, I can trade them in for another flat, right? So then I have 5 ones and 3 tenths. So the answer is 5 and 3/10. Questions about how to draw a quick picture to model decimal addition? Very good. Try your hand at this one. Draw a quick picture to represent 1 and 37 hundredths plus 1 and 85 hundredths.
One and 37.
Yeah, so how many ones do I have? Do I have 7 ones?
No, yeah,
I have 1 1. So how many flats do I need to draw? 1, okay. Then how many tenths do I have?
yeah, 3.
So I have to draw 3 tenths. And how many hundredths do I have? 7. So I have to draw 7 hundredths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Devina, how do I model 1 and 85 hundredths? 1, 1. Okay. 8 tenths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And 5. 5 what? 5 hundredths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then to add it all together, I just need to count up what I have. Before I need to count up what I have, though, maybe I need to figure out what I need to regroup, right? So let's look at the hundredths. Do I need to regroup my hundredths? I have 12 hundredths altogether. Do I need to regroup them?
Yes.
I can trade in 10 hundredths to make 1 tenth. Okay, so let me count out 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right when I cross those out, I need to be sure to do what? I need to be sure to do what, Soham? Add 1 more tenth. If I didn't add it right away, might I forget in my final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's count how many hundredths I have. How many hundredths do I have left? 2. Okay. Now let's count my tenths. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can I regroup? How do I automatically know that I can regroup? Harshita?
Because 12 tenths is above. Usually 1/10 is. Well, it's because it's above 1/10. You need to regroup. So you would.
How do I know I can regroup right away? I have 12 tenths. What tells us what tells me that I can regroup? Clarissa?
Well, it has to be 10 or more.
Yeah.
And so basically, it's like with decimals, it's kind of like it has to be 10 or above each.
So I can regroup 10 of these, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, to turn it into one what?
1.
Yeah, 1 flat. Good. So how many tenths do I have left?
2.
And now how many ones do I have? 3. So then by using this quick picture, I know that 1 and 37 hundredths plus 1 and 85 hundredths equals 3 and 22 hundredths. Add up. So on the left, you can see that Robin said 1 and 85 hundredths plus 2 and 73 hundredths equals 3 and 158 thousandths. Does it seem like, does her work, is it sense or nonsense? Nonsense? Huh. Meanwhile, Jim over here said 1 and 85 hundredths plus 2 and 73 hundredths equals 4 and 58 hundredths. Take a look at their quick pictures. Does it seem like someone made a mistake? Who made a mistake and what mistake did they make? Colin, who made a mistake and what mistake did they make?
Robin made a mistake.
Okay.
And Robin forgot to regroup the tenths into.
Oh. So Robin said that she found 15 tenths. Is she making the same mistake that Miss O made earlier?
Yes.
Yeah. She forgot to regroup. She should know right away, 15 is greater than 10, which means I can regroup those tenths to become an extra 1. Okay, so please do not make the same mistake as Robin and Miss O. Very good.